Hello, it's Jessia and Anna again.
Yes.
So, and we just finished a live stream about MGO. So if you haven't saw it, you can go back and review. You can replay in our homepage.
Yes.
And this live stream, and we will introduce you the detailed specific model and categories for the Mgo powder.
Yes, and which kind of heating elements it can be used in, and we will give you a detailed information. And normally we also will divide our Mgo powder into 4 categories, and each category we will divide it into several models. And let's take a detailed look of our table we have summarized.
Yes.
Yes.
And
also we divide it into several types.
so we have made a sheet for your very clear understanding.
Yes.
So as you can see, we have 4 categories. So the first one I'm going to introduce is special high temperature. So we have H9 and H8, H7, H6 here. So please look at the temperature range. So if the heat treatment temperature range different, then the category will be different. For the this H series, so it's mainly for the heater who need to go over 1050 degree annealing. So maybe some like for the oven, right? The oven and washing machine.
And the coil heater.
Yes, and they are all are the air heat, so not liquid heat or some kettle, right? The casting plate, no, it's air heat. So, and as it has to go over 1050 degrees, so there's no silicone treatment inside, because if the temperature goes so high, the silicone will gone and will disappear. So it means, and when you fill the Mgo powder and when you do the annealing, please seal your heater end in time, because it don't have any moisture resistance. So also it's mainly used for air heat, like I said, for the oven, coil, and some water heater, you may need to air heat. The next one is the M model.
Yes, for the M model, we also divide it into four models, and like 9, 8, and 7, and 6. And you can see it with the heat treatment, our max heat treatment temperature can be reached 750 degrees Celsius. And also, it is suitable for the production of medium and high temperature air heat electric heating elements. Yes, it is not suitable for like the H series, such as the 1050 degrees Celsius annually. Yes, but it has strong moisture resistance and can be easily sealed. Yes, and for the application, you can see it is normally used in the medium to high low medium heaters. And also you can see such as the water heaters tube and oven tube and so on. And next I will introduce you about the L series. You can see on the table, yes, the heat treatment temperature, it is for non-air burning, just like the copper, aluminum, and copper plated iron pipes and stainless steel pipes, and like some convection heaters. It cannot do high temperature after the heat treatment. And it also, like the M series, it has strong moisture resistance, and it is normally used in some low load heaters like soy milk tubes and electric iron tubes and coffee pots and so on. If you have the heating elements like this type, you can also inquire this series, and you can also tell us your heating elements information. Yes, for the apply requirements, I want to tell you is it is normally dry the heaters at 200 degrees Celsius to 350 degrees Celsius within 2 to 4 hours before sealing. Yes, these two series is also the same for the apply requirements. And next, we'll introduce you about the HPPS series. It is normally for the hot plate.
Yes, it's a very special and exclusively hot plate model, only for the iron. So I know some manufacturer in East EU or in Turkey, they produce the hot plate, then you will use this model. So it has a very strong moisture resistance. So when you buy it, it's very easy to use. So you mix with the water and put your resistant wire inside, and then you can dry at 200 degrees to 400 degrees. After you have set the molding, then do the dry heat treatment, then it's okay. So it's very easy to use, and it's more convenient, because I know previous some old model from other supplier, they might need to use the group, mix with the group, and the group is not so environment friendly. But we have developed this very new grade. So if you buy the hot plate thermostat, you can consult us and we will give you more information. Next, let's show you another table.
Yes, it is about the composition of our Mgo powder. You can see some types analyze chemical, and you can see how many percent it is used. Yes.
Yes. So you can see we have the existing model. So it's standard model. So you can define by the working temperature. You can see the last column. We have different working temperature. And we also have 3 columns. It's called the chemical analysis. So this is just show you the particles, work mass ratio. And the next is the physical property. So the flow time, the tap density, and flow rate. The last one is the electrical property. So how your heater will performance under the cold condition, heat condition, and humidity condition. So all this information will show in our outgoing report. So if you buy heater from us, every batch and every shipment, we will have a detailed report, outgoing report. So don't worry. So you can see the working temperature is different, and also the loading voltage. You can see we have 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. So here I'd like to tell you is the cold condition. So also we have the normal condition. The normal condition means this text, the result is after your heater have removed the moisture and sealed. The heating condition means take high temperature, for example. So your heater has sealed and do the annealing, then power on. Let's generate the heat for 10 minutes. But if for the M and L series, the time will be 30 minutes, half hour. So there's another information we'd like to share is all our Mgo powder has well finished. So you can use directly in your heater. You don't have to do the annealing again. And before samples, so maybe you want to consult us what MGO grade we suggest, and here please tell us. So what heater you plan to produce, material, working condition, working temperature, and maybe the thickness. And so we have to understand the details of your heater. Don't worry, we will send a survey. We have a survey sheet, a document you can fill in with just several simple details, and I believe you can offer. So you tell us this, and then we can suggest based on your requirement is the fast way to give you the proposal.
And all these type is just a standard type for your reference.
Yes.
And you can tell us your heating elements information, and also we can make customized. We have enough engineering capacity and also the ability to make this suggestion, yes, that will suitable for your heating elements. And I believe our quality is very stable, and you can also test our samples.
Yes.
Yes. Now let's take a detailed look of our samples, and I will introduce what will influence the price.
Yes.
Yes. You can see on the sample tables, our MGO powder have shown. And because the space is limited, we just show 3 types of our samples. Yes, you can see the labels on it. This one is H6. That means high temperature. Yes. This one is for low temperature, L7. Yes. And the L6. Yes. And if you have more need to know, you can also consult our assistants, and they will send you more details, and also the application. And like just now we show you the table and composition, we can also send you for reference. And I will tell you what will influence our price for MGO powder. Yes, some heaters will need go through 1050 degrees Celsius annealing. Yes, for just now we have said about the H series. We will if your heaters need to make the annealing, yes, it will with or without the silicon. Silicon treatment will be different, and the dry heat treatment also will be different. So just tell us if your heaters need annealing or not. Yes. The second is about the working environment. If your heaters is air heat or liquid heat, or the MGO powder will be different. Yes. Some like the convention heater like iron, rice cooker heater, then the model will be different. So just tell us your which appliance and which heating elements your MGO powder use, and we will consider and also will suggest you. And the third one is about the working temperature. Yes, its temperature range is different, and you can tell us your heater's working temperature, and this will help us locate which category it suits for your requirements. Yes. And the next is about the loading voltage. Yes. For the heating elements, the loading voltage is different, and the treatment will be also different. If possible, and we will also send you a detailed survey to know your heating elements as well. And this will help us to know which which kind of Mgo powder is suitable, and it will also fit your heating elements as well. Yes, now we come back to our samples here.
And maybe some of you, after saw our 3 live stream, you may can't wait to place us order. So in case of you have this intention, so here we will give you the information about package. So
Yes.
when you want to place us order like 1 pallet, 1 ton, or ship a 20 GP container, so what will be the standard package? So here I made a sheet, so for your very clear understanding,
Yes.
let's show you.
Yes, about the package,
Yes.
we have a sheet.
So you can see, normally we pack 1 ton, 1 pallet. So inside we have a 40 cartons. So you also can see the gross weight. So gross weight for 1 pallet is 1,080, and you can see the CBM here. And let me show you more details about how we pack. We
Yes.
also have 2
Some
pictures.
photos.
Yes, we have 2 pictures.
Yes, you can see here, this Mgo powder is packed inside the carton. Yes, and we fix them very well, and also we have, you can also use the check to...
The mark you can mark like we have marked our brand name, Donghai, and we have marked the gross weight, net weight, and some number, maybe your SKU number or part number. Yet we can also mark on the carton.
Yes, inside we usually pack by the tongue bag, and also we will pack them into the pallet. Then during the transportation, all our products will be protected well and will ship out very good condition.
Yes, so this will be the information we'd like to share in this live stream.
Yes.
So maybe you want to know more details, such as the standard models, the sheet I just showed you. So
Yes.
send your business card, and I can contact with you. We will send these documents for
Yes.
your information. Then we can discuss more. And I think in this MGO business unit, the information I summarize is the first one. Please target on the quality, not just the price.
Yes.
The next one is, I believe we are a good option. We are a very good supplier. So please collect some sample from us.
Yes.
Try to run a pilot production, and then you will know. Just several $100, then you will get one more upgrade opportunity.
Yes.
Yes.
And also you can see on our website,
Yes.
and you can check on our
Yes.
livesumgrow.com.cn, and you can see more products there. And welcome to contact with us, and we will share you more.
Yeah, we have MGO powder. We also have machines and components. So please keep following us, and we'll see you later in this afternoon.
Yes.
Thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.